I wish to discuss the harrowing experiences of my family during a tumultuous historical period, around or after World War II. My story begins with a distressing account of individuals sent back by England, presumably refugees or prisoners, who faced unimaginable hardships. These unfortunate souls were executed upon their return, a grim fate that awaited them.
The family's journey to a transit camp in Italy was fraught with peril and uncertainty, where they endured not only uncertainty and fear, but also the harsh realities of wartime displacement.
My father is eventually selected for work at a factory, likely related to war efforts or industrial needs, which adds another layer of complexity to their situation.
Overall, this narrative sheds light on the struggles faced by displaced persons and their family dynamics in times of crisis. The mention of individuals being shot upon return highlights the brutal consequences faced by those who defied the regime, emphasizes the grim reality faced by many during significant historical upheaval, where survival often meant fleeing their homes and seeking refuge elsewhere.
This serves as a powerful illustration of how war can lead to dire outcomes for people caught in geopolitical turmoil, forcing them to leave everything behind.
The transit camp in Italy symbolizes a crucial transitional phase for displaced individuals and families.
These camps were often rife with uncertainty, serving as temporary shelters that provided little security.
The father's selection to work in a factory indicates a common narrative during wartime. Individuals had to navigate the complexities of labor demands while ensuring their family's survival.
The mention of scary moments illustrates the psychological impact of wartime experiences on families, often leading to trauma and emotional distress.
The transcript reflects the reality of mass displacement and its impact on society, economy, and culture. Displaced persons often face stigmatization, lack of resources, and struggle to integrate into new environments.
The family's dynamics, shaped by wartime experiences, hint at how trauma can affect future generations.
The repercussions of historical events often ripple through families, impacting relationships, identity, and societal contributions. The father's job choice and the surrounding circumstances, shaped by the era's demands and societal expectations, raise profound questions about fate versus choice in crisis situations, challenging our understanding of personal agency.
The insights gained here lead to deep discussions about human agency, resilience, and the illusion of control individuals often grapple with during overwhelming scenarios, highlighting the complexity of human experience.
In conclusion, the video transcript encapsulates a family's struggle amid historical crisis, drawing attention to the complex interplay of fear, labor, familial bonds, and survival. These narratives not only humanize historical facts, but also foster empathy towards the challenges faced by displaced persons, making them relevant in contemporary discussions about migration and refugee policies.
By examining the intricate layers of these experiences, I gained a deeper understanding of the human condition in times of adversity. Amen. Thank the Spirit of the Sky. Amen.